You're welcome back. Now let's look at this question. It says that you should draw up a profit or loss appropriation account for Wasiu, Enitan, and Adiola for the year ended 31st December 2016 and a statement of financial position extract at that date from the following information. Net profit 92,400. Interest to be charged on capital for Wasiu 1,800, Enitan 1,350, Adiola 1,050. Interest to be charged on drawings, Wasiu 600, Enitan 480, Adiola 250. Partnership salaries to be paid to Enitan 11,000, Adiola 14,000. The profit sharing ratio is Wasiu takes 3, Enitan 2, Adiola 1. The current account Wasiu 9,000, Enitan 4,000, Adiola 3,000. The capital account Wasiu 30,000, Enitan is 22,500, Adiola is 17,500. Finally is drawings. Wasiu 13,500, Enitan 11,500, Adiola 8,500. In the next video, we will look at the first requirement of this question, which is a profit or loss appropriation account. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.